There are some fantastic apps that you can download for free to make content creation a lot easier. We've created a cheat sheet of the best apps which you can find in the video description below. Let's take a look at some of them now. Adobe Photoshop Express is a photography app that you can use to enhance your smartphone photos. This app allows you to crop, brighten and add filters to your photos. To save your edited photos, click the download button on the top right-hand side of the app. Canva is a graphic design app with a wide range of templates for creating social media graphics, posters, and even business cards. To create a graphic, you select social media at the top of the app and choose the type of post that you want to create. Canva offers thousands of pre-made templates that you can customize with your own images, colors, fonts, and sizing. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editor with everything you need to create stunning, high-quality videos. CapCut can do basic video editing tricks, including splitting video, adding audio, and applying video filters. But it's also stuffed with pre-made templates, images, sound cues, GIFs, and several AI-driven features that set it apart from other free video editors. We particularly like the auto captions that it can create. Mojo enables marketers to create eye-catching animated Instagram stories and reels using pre-designed templates and motion graphics. Veed simplifies video editing and captioning, allowing marketers to produce polished promotional videos and maximize reach with subtitles, effects, and templates. Vimeo allows you to create professional quality videos with easy editing tools. There are customizable templates and a library of stock content. And VSCO is a photo and video app which offers filters and editing options to add a creative touch to social media visuals. We've put together a list of our top smartphone apps for you to download, and the link to this is in the notes on this video.